Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best women's razor reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is BIC Soleil Smooth Colors Disposable Razors for Women. This is a set of disposables, each with a moisture strip and 3 blades. The blades are sharp and last 2 to 3 shaves, which is pretty standard for disposables. The wide plastic handle is nicely curved and has just enough rubber on it to get a good grip. The head comes with a small plastic case, which makes this set great for travel, and the durable handle is sure to withstand a few good stomps. Unfortunately, it does not come equipped with a hinging head. This makes it a little easier to cut yourself, so be careful. The head is also rectangular rather than rounded, which is less comfortable in tight corners. The closeness and efficiency of the shave are not great when compared to the reusables in our review. The Soleil requires a few swipes to ensure that your leg, armpit, or bikini area are hair-free. That said, this pack is great for anyone looking for a disposable that is durable. Number 2. Our second best pick is Solimo 5-blade razor for women. It comes equipped with 5 blades, a moisture strip, and a soap perimeter. This particular set comes with either 2 or 12 cartridges, a hanger, and a handle. The 12-pack is where the deal really becomes a steal. The soap and moisture pads surrounding the blades help provide some glide, but this set is best used with soap or shaving cream. The handle is completely covered in rubber, providing optimal grip even when your hands are slippery. The bulbous base and curvature of the handle also sit nicely in most hands. The head comes with a cover to help keep the blades from dulling and you from cutting yourself. While the hinge of the head allows the blades to glide over your curves with ease, the surface area around the 5 blades is actually quite large. This hinders the ability to get into tight corners, like the bikini area, without stepping a leg up and stretching out a bit. The other bone we have to pick with the Solimo is that the 5 blades are set very close to each other. The closeness of the blades allows long hair to clog easily, but running a little water through the back of the head should unclog it. Overall, this set is the perfect choice for anyone looking to stock up on something a little more versatile without breaking the bank. Number 3. Our third best pick is Gillette Venus Tropical Disposable Razors for Women. This is a fun colored set available in 3 or 6-pack sets. Each one comes complete with a moisture strip, 3 blades, and a hinging head. The hinged head is a rarity in the land of disposables and definitely gives this one a leg up. This is important as it allows the user to shave over curves as well as in tight corners without the risk of cutting themselves. The moisture strip allows for a little bit of lubricant, however, this set is best used with soap or shaving cream. We love the fun colors, blade cases for travel, and the fun tropical scent. This set comes with a very light handle. While we definitely appreciate using less plastic for something that is not meant to last, it doesn't feel particularly nice in hand and threatens to slip out when you're all lathered up. If you have sensitive skin, you may experience a little irritation in the absence of soap or shaving cream. It only lasts a few shaves and seems to dull rather quickly. This set is best used by someone with tougher skin who prefers disposables. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gillette Venus Sensitive Disposable Razor. Many disposable sets do not bother with a hinged head, but not this one. The hinged head allows for you to get into tight corners, so behind the knees, the armpits, and the bikini area are a breeze. Each one of the 6 included razors comes equipped with 3 blades, a moisture strip, and a minimal cartridge case. The blades last 2 to 3 shaves but begin to dull quickly. This particular disposable set is great for those with sensitive skin, however, it is important to lather up with soap or shaving cream to help mitigate irritation and achieve a closer shave. It is only meant to last a few shaves, so it would make sense that the handle and overall make is rather lightweight. Still, we thought the handle felt downright cheap. It is very light and slips out of the hands easily. The blades dull quickly, so the first shave is usually the best. They also do not provide a very efficient shave and require a few swipes to rid each strip of unwanted hair. Overall, it gets the job done in a pinch and is best used by those looking for something that is disposable that won't irritate their skin. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Schick Intuition Refill Pure Nourishment Razors for Women. This is unique in that it focuses more on special features than anything else in our test suite. The thick head practically has a small bar of soap on it. Just add water, and you're good to go. The soap is very slick and smooth, allowing for the head to glide over any obstacle with ease. Despite the handle's bulk and thickness, it's actually quite ergonomic, and we found it comfortable in hand. You're able to grab it with more than just your fingertips, which offers extra contact and grip. The blades are placed inside the soap, and they hinge separately from it. The soap block itself hinges as well, allowing for a close shave once the soap has withered a little. This set also comes with a case to help protect the soapy border from melting away in your moist shower. We tested a fun Hello Kitty version. The head is also a little bulky, so tight corners will need to be opened up a bit in order to shave. Just like our other bulky headed options, this is an easy issue to fix by lifting a leg or straightening a knee. That being said, if you are particularly inflexible, you may want to look for something with a smaller head and opt for some shaving cream. While we love the thick handle, it could also use a little more grip. The top of the handle is devoid of rubber, and the plastic gets slippery. Those things aside, the Intuition is a great choice for anyone who wants to forego the shaving cream. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.